I know some of you are fasting. I'm also fasting. So let's go to the next question lah. Which of the following fractions is equivalent to 0.4? Which one? Why so green? No, green is maybe not. Gila, why you want to credit the commission? Okay, 25 more seconds. Okay, for those who just joined, you can still join us. Go to www.𝐿.it, okay, and enter the game pin 875390. Okay, 875390. Okay, enter that, and you can still join in for the remaining questions. Okay, let me adjust my screen a little bit so you all can see the game pin at the bottom. Okay, so you can see the game pin at the bottom now, right? 875390. Alright, very good. 38 of you got it correct. Okay, very good. Now let's see the solution. Okay, wait, before that, let's see who got the top 5. Okay, we got the helpful Sphinx. Okay, wow, everyone is like 1 point apart except for the 4th and 5th. So if your points is very close to 981, okay, feel free. You know that you are very close to that top 5 students, okay? Alright, so for those who just joined, you can go to www.𝐿.it and enter 875390, okay? Are you all ready for the next question? If you all are ready, come on, everyone just spam the likes. Let's bring it up to 10k. It's very close to 10k. Alright, come on, just spam. Alright. Okay, so today we will be having 8 questions. Alright, so the last 2 will be problem sums. So stay on, okay? And you may get the number 1 for today. The code is 875390. Okay, I will be holding on for 1 minute for those whoever want to join from the second question onwards, because once I press next, okay, then you all can join the second question onwards. Okay, come on in, don't be shy. Okay, just do your best. Okay, nobody will penalize you for getting below the 5th position, or maybe even getting below 10 and all that. Just do your best. Okay, right, go to www.𝐿.it and enter 875390. Okay, anyone else? Okay, for those who are new, we are Master Math. Okay, today we are doing P5 Math. Okay, so do stay on to the end. Okay, we'll be having about 8 questions. We have done with question 1. Let's see the solution for question 1 first. Alright, so each of the fraction I convert to decimal. Alright, the 2 over 5, I change it to 4 over 10. 4 over 10 is 0.4. 4 over 20, I reduce it to 2 over 10 and it becomes 0.2. 1 over 10 is 0.1. Okay, and then 8 over 25 is 32 over 100 is 0.32. Alright, okay, so for those who are new, okay, you can also watch our previous live by going to MasterMaths PSLE in Telegram. There's this Telegram group which you can join. You will also be getting the today's solution later on in that group. Alright, okay, if everyone is okay, do send me all the likes now, so I'm sure that you all are good right now. Okay, I want to see all those heart shapes going up on the live, not on the TikTok, not on the Kahoot. Okay, on the live. Okay, all good. Alright, for those who just joined, you can still join the Kahoot at www.𝐿.it and enter 875390. Okay, now let's go to the second question. What is the value of 4 divided by 25? 4 divided by 25. Take note here, it's not 25 divided by 4. It is 4 divided by 25. Okay? You can do a few methods. You can either do the fraction method, or you can do the divide method, the one where you use the working. Alright? Whoever giving out answer, are you all sure you are giving out the right answer or not? What if it's white? Then how? Where do you press the white? Where's the purple? Alright, very good. A lot of you got it correct. Very good, very good. Alright, okay. Let's see what happens to the top 5. Now we have Desert Impala. And then we got the Stella Camel also at number 2. The Amazon Bunny at number 3. Speedy Panda at number 4. And the Helpful Sphinx at number 5. Alright. So you can still join in. Yeah. Okay, you can do the fraction method. For this question, probably you all won't be doing the 4 then divide by 25 because you will need to think of the multiples of 25, and that will be quite time consuming, I would say. Alright, congratulations, had the highest climber. Very good, very good. Alright, in the meantime also, if you are new, follow us, okay, and then also share the live, okay. Danish, me too, Danish. Let's be patient together. We got less than, I also cannot calculate the time already. Okay, we got about 45 more minutes, okay. Be patient, okay. Next. Right, so what I did is the fraction method, 4 over 25. So the 4, 25, the denominator, I changed to 100. How? 25 times 4 become 100. Then if I times 4 in the denominator, I must times 4 to the numerator also. Whatever you do to the fraction, you do to the bottom, you must do the top. You do to the top, you must do to the bottom, okay? So times 4 become 16 over 100 becomes 0.16. Okay? Alright, so like I said just now, okay, I'm from MasterMaths. Okay, so MasterMaths is an education center, okay, where we provide tuition services for students from primary 1 all the way to O levels, okay, at P4 or P5. Yes, I am Coach Mo, okay, thanks for recognizing. Okay, so we provide tuitions for P1 all the way to Sec 4, Sec 5, O levels. Right now, JC we don't have, but who knows, maybe in the future we'll have. Alright, okay, so to find out more about us, also we have free trials for new students to try our class first before actually signing up. You can go to www.mastermath.com.sg to know more about us, okay? So we are at 5 different locations: Woodlands, Farrer Park, Tampines, Jurong East, and we have one option which is to do it purely online. Alright, so you can join the Zoom and then listen to the coach teaching, okay, and do the practice at the same time. Alright, come, let's go to the next question. Which of the following fractions is smaller than 0.3? Okay, not greater, smaller. So how to find the smaller one? Yes, join at www.𝐿𝐴𝐻.it and enter 875390. Okay, Danish, wait a while longer, wait a while more. Okay, 7:20 then we eat your spaghetti, okay? Alright, in the meantime, okay, if you already answered, okay, do give us the likes also, okay? Like our like. Now, the next threshold, we aim to go to 20k. Okay, come on, let's go. Alright? So, every one of you, once you answer it, just press the like button, okay? In the meantime, also, if you know of more of your friends that want to challenge you to this Kahoot, alright, do share this live with them. Get them to join in. Ask them to join the Kahoot at 875390. Okay, we have 8 questions. Now we are at question 3. Alright. 15 more seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Okay, most of you got it correct also. Alright, so let's see first who's the top 5 now, and after that we'll see how do we do the comparisons here, because you'll be like, coach, how do we compare decimal with fraction? Okay. Maybe you are familiar with comparing decimal and decimal, fraction and fraction. But now, how do we compare between decimal and fraction? Alright, very good. Dezo, Impala, and Stella Camel, you maintain your top 2 position. And then we got Helpful Sphinx, Joyful Oryx, and a Speedy Panda now at the 3rd, 4th, and 5th. So now let's see the solution. Okay, so what we do, right? Firstly, foremost, we convert the 0.3 to 3/10. We convert it to fractions. Okay, remember, decimal can be converted to fraction. Fraction can be converted back to decimal. So after you do that, then after that the rest are the same. Okay, you compare, like in this case, I'm comparing using what's the thing called? The numerator. So 4 and 3, I change them to 12. So 12 over 21, 12 over 40. 12 over 21 is bigger. And then the second one, 21 over 24 and 21 over 70. Like I said before, smaller denominator means bigger fraction. Okay, when you're comparing the denominator. And then the third one, 12 over 27 and 12 over 40, also the same. Okay, the bigger denominator here is the smaller fraction. Okay, 27 is the smaller denominator, bigger fraction. And then lastly, 99 and 100. So wait, the less than sign is wrong there. Okay, so in this case, right, they're asking for smaller. Okay, so the 10 over 33 is smaller, okay, because smaller, wait, I think there's a bit of a mistake here. Okay, but yeah, 10 over 33 is the correct answer. It's just that the way the comparison there is a bit wrong. Okay, don't worry, later I'll update in the solution, but 10 over 33 is the correct answer. Okay, it is lesser than 3 over 10. Okay. Okay. The next one. Okay, 6.7 divided by 1 over 2 plus 4 over 5 divided by 2. Okay, so here still depends on your order of operations. Okay, so the 6.7 divided by half, then plus 4 over 5 divided by 2. Okay, so the way you calculate your fractions still the same. Okay, how you divide by half still applies here even though you see a decimal there. Okay, alright. Yes, you can compare by half also. Maybe not. Okay, I think you're ready to check your working for the 6.7 divided by half. Okay. Okay lah, then at least you got some time to rest a bit. Okay. The code is 75390. Okay, very good. 17 of you got it correct. Very good, very good. Okay. So let's see why it is not 2.58. Okay, but it's 13.8. Okay, so the top three remain the same. Very good, very good. So you're on track. Okay, so why is it 13.8? So remember, we do from left to right, and we do we do divide or multiply first, right? Then followed by plus or minus. There's no brackets here, so we don't need to do any brackets. Okay, so we do, remember, when you divide by half, it is your keep, change, flip. Remember? So you keep the 6.7, you times 2 over 1. Okay, so 2 over 1 is basically just 2 wholes. Okay, then plus 4 over 5 divided by 2. 6.7 times 2 is 13.4, and then 4 over 5 divided by 2 is 4 over 5 times 1 over 2. So that will be equal to 2 over 5, which simplified to 0.4. Then when you plus these two, you will get 13.8. Okay? Alright, so that's why it's 13.8. I think for those who got 2.58 is probably because you did half plus 4 over 5 first, then you do 6.7 divide by the answer, then divide by 2 or something like that. Yeah, right? I think so. Okay, but remember, you must do all your divide and multiply first. Okay? Alright, now let's go to the next question. Which of the following are equivalent to 5 over 8? Okay, so which of the following are equivalent to 5 over 8? Alright, we got 8 questions. Alright. Okay, so this one you got 40 more seconds. 8 questions, not 18 questions. No, it's not 0.5. Don't do that way. Okay. Alright, don't ever convert your fraction to decimal simply by putting the numbers in the decimal point. Okay, like 1 over 2 equals to 0.12. Don't do that, okay? Alright, very good. Okay, all those who selected yellow, you are correct. Okay? Okay, wow, the top 5, everyone remain the same now. If you all maintain, then there's a good chance, or like Desert Impala or Stella Camel will win the prize for today. Okay, which of the following are equivalent to 5 over 8? For this question, what I do is I do the denominator conversion method. Okay, so I converted the 8 to 1000 by multiplying by 125. And then I do the 5 times 125, I got 625. So altogether, 625 over 1000 equals to 0.625. Okay, then so because 1000 is 3 decimal place, so that's why you can think of it as the divide decimal point method, where you bring back the decimal point from 625, jump, that's why it becomes 0.625. Okay, that's another way of thinking about it. The other way, you can also do a working 5 divided by 8. Also, you will get 0.625. Alright. Okay, so like what I said earlier, you can know more, find out more about us by going to our website at www.mastermath.com.sg. Alright, you can see where our classes are at, our schedule, what our upcoming programs, especially the PSLE crash course that we'll be having in your March holiday also. Alright, okay, so in the meantime, okay, do share the live with your friends, okay, so more of your friends can learn the math that we are doing today, okay, and you can challenge them for the Kahoot also. Alright, there's 3 more questions only. Alright, come on everyone, press the share button, okay, get them to join in. At the same time also, press the like button also. Alright, spam the likes now, maybe can bring it up to even 15k at this time now. Okay, come on, press the like button, okay, and you can just press it multiple times. Alright, so now we're gonna go to question 6. Okay, and question 6 is like the last question before your power sums. Okay, yeah, P4 also don't worry. Okay, oh, your P3 even better. Get a head start about how to use your fractions with decimals. Alright, okay, Danish, you want me to wait for? Yeah lah, can lah, P5. This is actually meant for P5 math. Okay, but if you already, like P4 also, you already learn how to use decimals and fractions, right? Okay, like eventually you will learn how to use decimal lah. Okay. Alright, now express 60 cm as a fraction of 1 kilometer in simplest form. Okay, I think I'm gonna skip this question because there's some error in the answer. Okay, apologies for those 17 of answer. Okay, I'm gonna skip this. Okay, there's some error in the answer actually. If you see, if you take 60 divide over 1000 over 1 kilometer, it's not 3 over 100. Okay, really sorry about this. Okay, don't worry, the next 2 questions are double points question. Okay. Okay, so this was meant to be 60 over 2000, but the error in the question there, and also the answer. Okay, now, okay, at least it didn't change much. Okay, so it was meant to be 60 cm cubed as a fraction of 2 liters. Okay, it was meant to be like that, 60 cm cubed as a fraction of 2 liters in simplest form. So in this case, you will take 60 over 2000 because 1 liter is 1000 cm cubed. Right? Okay, so 60 over 2000. Then when you reduce to simplest form, you get 3 over 100. Alright? Okay, so now the next question, right, you need to type your answer. Okay, tank A have 1.35 liters of water. Tank B have 3 over 5 of the water in tank A. Tank C contains twice as much as tank B. Okay, and how much water does tank C contains in liters? Alright. Okay, so the fraction there. Okay, the tank B have 3 over 5 of water in tank A. Okay, so does that mean tank B is lesser or tank B is more? What does that mean? This is P5 math. What does that mean when they say tank B have 3 over 5 of the water in tank A? Okay, so it's like, how many units is tank B? How many units is tank A? Okay? How? No? Are you sure that is the answer? Alright, and then the second part, once you found tank B, right? for tank C is just twice as much as tank B. So once you found correctly your tank B, how do you find your tank C? Joy Taylor, maybe. Okay. Mikhail, I think there's an error in your working, maybe. The next question. The next question is money question. Okay. Sambal kangkung, you need to check your working. Alright. I think especially the part about tank B have 3/5 of the water in tank A. Okay. Okay, maybe. Okay, we got 77 more seconds. Okay, like I said, the hint right here is this part here. Tank B have 3/5 of the water in tank A. So how many units is tank B? How many units is tank A? Okay, it's like a comparison way using fraction. How do you find tank B? Using that fraction of 3/5 as compared to tank A. So how? Okay. Got 30 more seconds. If primary 6 confirm can do. Okay, come, try. 10 more seconds. Okay, come on, check your working also, okay? But if you really enter your answer, then cannot change it lah. Okay, very good. Okay, quite a number of you got it correct. Okay, so it's 1.62 liters. Wow, the 5 of you that is top 5 all got correct. Very good. Alright, so how do we do this question? So when this part here, tank B have 3/5 of the water in tank A, we can think of 3/5 off, right? Off is multiply. So 3/5 times 1.35, okay, we can divide by 5. So 1.35 divided by 5 is 0.27. Then when you divide by 5, after that, you are left with doing 3 multiplied by 0.27 and you get 0.81. But that is just for B. Okay, for C is twice as much. So I take 0.81, I multiply by 2, I get 1.62 liters. Alright, the next question is on fractions equivalent. Okay, equal fraction concept. So here Johnny and Gary have some money at first. Johnny spent 2/5 of his money while Gary spent 7/10 of his money. They have an equal amount of money left. The keyword here, they have an equal amount of money left. And Gary spent $450 more than Johnny. Alright, so one part is about the amount of money left. The other part is about the amount spent. Okay, so you need to kind of like split those two up. And how much money does Johnny have left? So in the end, they're asking about how much money did Johnny have left. Okay. Alright, so the keyword here, like I said, is about they have an equal amount of money left. So whatever amount they have left is supposed to be equal. So why not take a look at what is the fraction they have left? Then from there, you can figure out how to proceed from there. Probably you can find the units that they spend, and then find the difference, because they are comparing, right? That Gary spent 450 more than Johnny. Okay. This is your equal fractions question. Okay. Alright, the last question for today. Okay, then after that, those who needs to break fast can go back to focusing on your breaking fast. Okay. Right, and then those who are still having WAs, all the best. Okay. Just keep on working on it. Don't worry, you will get better. Danish, you want me to end when it's time to break fast, then I end, is it? Okay, you all got 100 seconds more. Let's go, let's go. You still want chocolate or you want sambal kangkung? It's okay, Dani, just hold on, okay? Dila, if that's your answer, there's a bit of a mistake there. Sambal chocolate, you. That is like one-way ticket for stomachache. If you say chocolate kangkung, maybe okay lah. Oh, you just done your math WA today. How do you think it went? No, the Dila answer is wrong. Don't follow Dila's answer. Sambal chocolate for hospital. Yes. Okay. No, it's not 900. I already say not 900. Somebody asking 800. No, it's not. It's much lesser. Come on, 18 more seconds. Somebody actually followed that answer. Oh no. Don't start sambal kangkung. 3, 2, 1. Right, so the answer is $270. Wow, 3 of you got it correct. Okay. So what you do is, like I said just now, right? Since they say that he have an equal amount of money left, we look at the fraction of the amount of money. So Johnny spent 2/5, so he got 3/5 remaining. Gary spent 3/10, so he got 7/10 remaining. He spent 7/10, so he got 3/10 remaining. Okay, so here actually usually for this kind of equal concept questions, right, you will have to make the numerators the same. But in this case, the numerators are already the same. You skip one step. Okay, so from here we know that basically Gary did spend 7 units and Johnny did spend 2 units. So all you have to do is just take the difference between 7 units minus 2 units and you get 5 units. Okay, 1 unit is 450 divided by 5 equals to 90, then 3 units is 90 times 30. Then you get $270. So you are, okay, so Fazrin, you're asking, can we do branching? Alright, you can actually. It's just that when you do the branching, you will get, you know that he spent 2/5, 3/5. And then spent 7/10, 3/10. So you already know that the 3 and the 3 there are equal. So the denominators are their units for how much money they have at first. Alright, so for the solution for today, go to our Telegram group. You can see at the top right on my screen here also. Okay, MasterMaths PSLE. Okay, for the question just now on the express as a fraction, apologies again. Okay, I will edit it. Actually, there's no edit needed, it's just the Kahoot. But the PDF that you all get from the Telegram group will contain the right one. Okay, don't worry about that. Alright, so thank you again. So before, I haven't announced who's the first prize yet, but if you think that you were previously the top 5, you can stand by this QR code. Also, later remember, when you got your score, if you're the number 1, do take a screenshot of that screen, okay, that screen that shows that you are number 1, your name and your score, okay, take a screenshot of that later. But for now, you can save this QR code, because later, if you are the number 1 person, you need to scan this QR code to inform, put in your details, okay, for the prize, okay. So also, just to inform you guys, okay, we have free trial, okay. So for more weekly class like what we just did, okay, to find out more about our tuition programs and all that, you can attend our free trial session by going to mastermath.com.sg, okay, and you can also pick a center that you like to try at, okay, and attend your free trial. And also, like I mentioned earlier, during the March holidays, okay, PSLE Math 15 to 17 March and PSLE Science Crash Course will be on 15, 16 and 18 of March. Alright, so lastly, let's announce who are the top 5. Number 3, Stella Camel. Number 2, Amazon Bunny. And number 1, 𝐿𝐥𝐚𝐬𝐴 Impala. Very good. Alright, so remember to take a screenshot, okay, 𝐿𝐥𝐚𝐬𝐴 Impala, take a screenshot, okay, and you need to upload in the scan the QR code and upload, okay. Also, again, reminder, there's no science tomorrow, science will be next week. Alright, but at the same time, do follow us on Instagram also. Find us, MasterMath on Instagram, okay, to find out more when is the next live and all that, okay. And also, if you are looking for secondary school math, also do keep out in our Telegram, in our Instagram also. Alright, thank you everyone. It's been great today. Okay, for those who are fasting, just hold on a bit more, about 16 more minutes only, you can do it. Alright, and thank you everyone, and see you all next week. Yeah, next week I won't be having this lesson. I'll be seeing you all next week also. Alright, so thank you everyone, and see you all on the 19th. Okay, 19th of March. Alright, thank you and good night. Bye bye. Okay, bye bye.